Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be unbagging the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of September. If you're not familiar with the Ipsy Glam bag, it is a monthly beauty subscription from Ipsy where you receive 5 sample and/or deluxe size beauty products each month for $10. Now the items in your bag can be anywhere from hair care, nail care, skin care, or makeup. Now I do want to point out that while currently Ipsy is $10 per month, the price will be increasing to $12 per month. And I'm not sure if that's October or November, but it will be going to $12 per month as opposed to the normal $10. With that said, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got inside of this month's Ipsy bag. When you receive your package each month, it comes in a really pretty purple foil like this. And let's go ahead and tear it open. Inside each month, you do receive a actual little makeup bag from Ipsy. And this is what this month's looks like. It almost looks like a, I want to say like a canvas type, not canvas, what is the word? Like a sack, almost reminds me of an old school potato sack type of bag, the material. But I believe on the front, I'm not really quite sure what that design is. It almost looks like, I don't know. I'm not going to even tell you what it looks like. Because at first I thought it might be like stars in the constellation, but I'm really not sure what that is, to be quite honest. Not really loving the actual design of the bag, but you know, it is what it is. It's what's inside the bag to me that's important. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay. First thing I'm pulling out of the bag is the card that comes with it each month. It says September 2019, Find Your Light. And then it goes on to say September's all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? I guess that is what that is. So it actually is stars in the constellation. Great, so I was right. Look at that. Okay. When we open up the card, it gives you some information on the products that you will receive inside of the bag. Looks like I got, a foundation. Let's see. All right, let's go ahead and pull this stuff out. The first item I'm pulling out is from Murad, and it says Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. And let's see what this is. This rich yet lightweight skin saver is infused with shea butter, sunflower seed oil, coconut fruit extracts, and avocado oil to instantly moisturize, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and improve your skin texture. Advanced hyaluronic acid technology keeps your skin glowing and smooth for a full 24 hours. Okay, it says you can use this on your face and neck, AM and PM. And again, that's what that looks like in the box. I want to go ahead and pull this out and see what it looks like and what the texture is. Okay, so it is, it's tiny, I can't see it, 0.25 flow ounces. That's what it looks like outside of the box. It doesn't really have a smell, but it's definitely creamy. Can you see that? And I'll go ahead and put a little bit on my hand just so you can see the thickness and the consistency. Definitely very thick. Feels really good though when you rub it in. I've tried a couple of other things from Murad and I actually do like their brand. So I'm excited to get this. I'll use this definitely. I'll probably put it on, since it is hydrating, this would probably be something that I would use more at nighttime than in the daytime under my makeup. So this will be a good little size to, you know, just to kind of test it out and see if it's something that I like or not. So, okay, let's go ahead and put that aside. The next item I am pulling out, it's kind of stuck in there, of the bag is, it looks like, okay, this is great. It is actually a highlighter in Sea Shimmer from SEPHORA from the Madison Miller collection. And Madison Miller, I know, is a YouTuber. I've watched a few of her videos before, and I actually do quite like her. That's what that looks like. It's very, very pretty. Let me go ahead and do a swatch of that. Ooh, do I want to swatch it though? Oh. You know what? I'm not going to swatch this because I actually may give it away. I have a ton of highlighters and I have quite a few from SEPHORA. I don't have the one from Madison Miller as this is new, but I don't want to swatch it in case I decide to give it away which is more than likely. But it's very, very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put that aside. And the next thing in here is from Mushaboom Pressed Eyeshadow Phase 0 Makeup. So we got an eyeshadow. And this is, oh, the color is Mushaboom. Okay, that's interesting name for an eyeshadow color. I've never heard of the Phase 0 brand. That's what that looks like before I open it. If I can get it open, let's see. The color on this, it looks like a gray color, like almost this, yeah, I would say kind of a cross between a gray and maybe like a, I don't know, I want to say more gray to me than like a beige or something like that. But the compact is really cute. It has a little bitty mirror up there. Hope you can see that color. I'm trying to get it to focus. And I know that this is a color that I'm probably not going to use. So again, I don't want to swatch this because I can pass it on to someone else who can use it as opposed to swatching it. So I'm going to go ahead and close that back up and probably either pass it on to someone else or throw it in a giveaway as well. Okay, the next thing we have in here is from Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And it is in the color, it's a black eyeliner. And it's from Kaleido Cosmetics. Huh. I don't think I have, maybe I do have a waterproof eyeliner. And it's just packaged like your typical eyeliner. And again, we all know what a black eyeliner looks like, so I'm not going to swatch this. I'm not going to open it up and I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. So I'll go ahead and put that aside as well. I'm sorry for not swatching the items, guys. Like I said, I just don't want to waste them. And if I open them and swatch them, chances are it's just going to be swatched that one time. I'd rather just be able to give them away to one of you guys or to a family member or friend rather than just swatch them really quick. The colors are really pretty, but I just don't want to go ahead and swatch it. The last thing in the bag is from Smashbox. It is a Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydrating foundation. So they gave us a sample size of the foundation, and this is in shade 4.05, and this looks a little dark to me. But I'm kind of excited that they included a foundation for us to try, because what I would do with something like this is even though it's too dark, I could still try it out. Even if I don't wear it outside, I can wear it in the house for a couple of hours and just kind of get a feel for whether or not I like it before actually purchasing a full size of the product. So I do like getting sample size foundations, and I'm glad that they included it. But for this, I am going to do a little swatch for you. That's what that looks like. It is definitely probably darker than I would need. Yeah, a little darker than I would want on my face there. But the formula feels pretty good. It glides on really nice and smooth. Huh. Like I said, it would probably be something that I would test out, wear around the house for an hour or two just to get a feel for it, to see if it's something that I would consider buying a full bottle of to try it out. Well, anyway, guys, that was everything that I received in the Ipsy Glam bag this month. I actually do like this month's bag. Like I said, I know I didn't swatch a lot of the items, but that's just because I like to share them with someone else as opposed to just swatching them for on-camera purposes. There was quite a bit of stuff in this bag for $10. This is a full-size Ofra highlighter, which I'm not sure, but I know they retail for over $20. And then we got the sample size Murad. We got a full-size black waterproof eyeliner. We got an eyeshadow, and I got this sample of foundation. And we got the bag that comes with it every month. So for $10, this is definitely a heck of a deal. Even for $12, I think it's a really good deal. And at the $12 price, I still will continue to get Ipsy. I do enjoy receiving their bags, and it gives me the opportunity to try a lot of different products that I wouldn't have went out and bought for myself. Well, anyway, guys, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. If you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like before you leave, I would appreciate that as well. Until next time, have an absolutely phenomenal day. Take care. Bye-bye.